Hi everyone, this is me Divyendu and you're watching me on Filmy Mantra. जीता था जिसके लिए something नहीं not that यार उतना मैंने गरबा को ऑनेस्टली एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है लेकिन हाँ गरबा का जो एक कल्चर है जो उसका एक वाइब है वो मुझे हमेशा से बहुत पसंद था चार्मी विद मी माय को एक्टर आई मीन such a pretty face and you know she danced so well honestly I mean if the budgets are good then only I say yes to it
कोई ऐसा डायरेक्टर जिनकी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी बहुत मैच करती है मुन्ना भैया से
संजय लीला भंसाली
is he like that
So one time I was watching a reel जिसमें मैं खुद को देख के यार इमोशनल हो गया मरते हुए देख के
if I were a Bollywood film I would be
मिर्जापुर द फिल्म which is gonna release next year वो एक बहुत पुराना गाना है मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया
Hi Divyendu, welcome to Film Mantra.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulations on the song. The song looks amazing.
Thank you.
But before I go to the song, I'd like to ask you, whenever you choose to do a project, what is that first thought that comes to your mind? Is it the money? Is it the content? Is it the platform that you're doing on?
Yeah. No, it's the first one, the money.
Okay.
Always. Honestly, I mean, if the budgets are good, then only I say yes to it. After that, if I, like the script and the character, I go into it. And there has to be some excitement of, doing something new.
Okay.
Unless and until money is so good that, you do, even if you don't feel that excitement,
True.
you feel it, कि चलो at the end of the day when the check will come, I'll feel excited,
I'm very sure money तो पहले भी बहुत ऑफर हुआ होगा और ऐसे एल्बम्स के ऑफर्स तो पहले भी बहुत आए होंगे बट व्हाट वाज सो स्पेशल अबाउट जुल्मी सावरिया
honestly it's Amit Trivedi. Seriously, उनका जब composition सुना it's so beautifully done and I've been a very big fan of his music and his work तो बहुत मज़ा आया उन्होंने इतना अच्छा कंपोज किया इतना अच्छा गाया भूमि त्रिवेदी has sung it so well so yeah that was the and songs are one such thing अगर आपको सुन के मज़ा आता है तो आता है नहीं आता तो नहीं आता
True.
I heard the song I liked it I said let's do it
and the money was good
yeah
for sure How was the energy on set? Because the set looks grand, the costumes are there's so much color, there's so much grandness. But what was the environment on set?
Oh, lovely. It's such a dream team, yeah, this one. As you can see, our producers, Hitendra and Piyush, they put their best foot forward. The production designing looks so good. Like you said, the costumes and everything, So everything, I mean, Charmi with me, my co-actor, I mean, such a pretty face and, she danced so well. Bhumi, who's featuring in the song. Everyone is right from, I mean, जो ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, right from the spot boy to the DOP. I mean, our DOP man, he has shot it so beautifully. Everything came together so nicely, and I think that energy somewhere you can see on screen.
Yes, absolutely. But were you involved in the song more than like an actor? Were you the part of the making of the song?
No, I was a very last-minute entry.
Okay, but did you meet Amit sir?
No, I did not. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but what was it like? Because first time आपने डांस किया है, कोई प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ी उससे पहले आपको?
यार प्रेप का ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला ऑनेस्टली एंड सिंस आई मीन आई एम अ डिसेंट डांसर तो ये सब हो गया ठीक से a lot of credit goes to Vijay Ganguly, our choreographer and the director. उन्होंने कोरियोग्राफी इतनी अच्छी करी थी which was very nice. Hook steps are very very nice. तो हो गया यार ये आई मीन अच्छे से हो गया बस
इट लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल अगर मैं बात करूँ आपने बोला कि सेट पे जो एनवायरनमेंट था बहुत वार्म था बट एनी कोर मेमोरी दैट यू हैव विद मी with you sorry
with you also there is a on the set I mean the fact कि जब मैंने हुक स्टेप किया और जो कोरियोग्राफर्स ने असिस्टेंट कोरियोग्राफर्स ने मुझे सिखाया था दैट दे फेल्ट सो हैप्पी कि जो सिखाया था इन्होंने कर दिया जाके अदरवाइज ये भी होता है ना नहीं हो पा रहा अभी क्या करे लेकिन वो दे फेल्ट लाइक व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू लुक एट देयर फेसेस आई यूज्ड टू फील वेरी हैप्पी कि यार इनको है कि चलो बेइज्जती नहीं कराई इसने अच्छा काम कर दिया
You are from Delhi and here you're doing Garba a little bit of Garba and mix of Bollywood right what was that experience मतलब do you feel like कि आपने कनेक्ट किया गरबा के साथ गुजराती कल्चर के साथ
यार कनेक्ट तो करना ही था एज आई सेड पैसे आ चुके थे तो करना ही था लेकिन इतना ऑनेस्टली इतना कुछ ऐसा कोई डीप थॉट नहीं था लाइक आई टोल्ड यू सॉन्ग बहुत अच्छा था कोरियोग्राफी जब मैंने देखा उसको देख के मुझे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आया स्पेशली द हुक स्टेप I was like, ये तो कुछ ऐसा है, I can actually do this and do this in a nice way.
True.
So, yeah, that's about it, man. And then one after the other, I saw the set. It was such a grand and beautiful set. The costumes were amazing. The people I was working with, everyone has such a beautiful temperament to work with.
Yeah.
So, yeah, everything was just great. I mean, the stars all aligned for me on this one.
You're from Delhi, and the culture in North is a little different. People in Navratri are invested
Yeah.
more in puja.
Yeah.
Here, the celebration is altogether very different. Here, they dance and they celebrate it on a very major level.
Yeah.
What was the difference? आपके लिए नवरात्रि कैसी होती है? Because since you have been living in Mumbai for such a long time,
Yeah.
how are Navratris for you now?
Yeah, like this only. You know, you see people all decked up, you know, जाते हैं नवरात्रि में, वो खेलते हैं और गरबा वगैरह वो सब करते हैं. उसके लिए प्रेप बहुत लोग करते हैं. एक एक हफ्ते, 10 दिन, 15 दिन पहले से, you know, वो कोरियोग्राफी लर्न करते हैं. So yeah, it's a great feeling यार, to see a city, इतना अच्छा lively हो जाती है.
True.
People are so happy, they are, going somewhere, unless until you get stuck in traffic because of them,
Absolutely.
then it feels very bad.
But you also participate. You go to crowd, you play गरबा ऐसे कभी भी. But invite तो आता होगा आपको चीफ गेस्ट के लिए. Absolutely.
हाँ आता है, but वो ज़्यादातर the budgets are not good, so I don't say yes.
Money.
अगर I'm not यार उतना मैंने गरबा को honestly explore नहीं किया है, लेकिन हाँ गरबा का जो एक कल्चर है, जो उसका एक वाइब है, वो मुझे हमेशा से बहुत पसंद आता है. Anything which can just bring people together and they are happy to celebrate it, it's a great thing.
Yeah, let's talk about Mirzapur.
Okay.
Mirzapur जब season 3 आया, you were not part of Mirzapur 3. How did that come to you? Were you not initially the part of it anyway? या
नहीं यार, मैं season 2 में I know मर गया था मैं.
But Mirzapur 3 में people were waiting to see a twist कि कैसे भी करके दोबारा एंट्री हो जाए. People did text you. आपका Instagram
हाँ यार, पूरा full on, like people have just showed so much love and affection. और कुछ लोगों के honestly मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, वो टेक्स्ट पढ़ के ना कुछ DMs वगैरह मैं खुद इमोशनल हो जाता था. वो कुछ लोग एक ऐसे कुछ रील बनाते थे जिसमें वो पता नहीं कुछ ऐसे हिंदी फिल्म में कुछ ऐसे इमोशनल सॉन्ग थे. सो वन टाइम आई वाज वाचिंग अ रील जिसमें मैं खुद को देख के यार इमोशनल हो गया, मरते हुए देख के. सो आई टोल्ड माय वाइफ, ये क्या हो रहा है यार, मैं खुद को देख के हो रहा हूं.
इमोशनल गाने डाल
हाँ वो डाल के. सो आई मीन इट वाज जस्ट इट वाज अ मिक्स्ड फीलिंग, नॉट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ इट. लेकिन आपको पता है उस कैरेक्टर का वहां तक का आग खत्म हो गया था. बट टू सी पीपल मिस मी सो मच and text me and making reels, DMs, everything was so heartening, man.
अब when you have done मिर्ज़ापुर, मुन्ना भैया का जो आपका कैरेक्टर है, जब कोई एक्टर कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर कर लेता है जो लाइफ लॉन्ग रिमेंबर रहता है, does it also put a pressure कि मैं अब लाइफ में कुछ भी करूँगा, people will only remember for this, or you take that privilege कि I've done something which is
I don't know यार, मैं इतना सोचता नहीं हूँ इसके बारे में. पहले भी जो मैंने कैरेक्टर्स करे हैं वो भी मेमोरेबल कैरेक्टर्स रहे. उसके बाद कुछ और आ जाता है. आई एम श्योर मैं आगे कुछ ऐसा करूँगा उसके वो भी आ जाएगा. लेकिन हाँ कुछ कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जिनका जो रीचेबिलिटी होती है वो ज़्यादा होती है कुछ दूसरे कैरेक्टर्स के. आई थिंक मुन्ना इज़ वन सच कैरेक्टर. वो इतना डार्क होते हुए भी इतना वल्नरेबल है कि लोगों के पास तक इतना पहुँचता है. इट्स अ स्पेशल कैरेक्टर. सो आई जस्ट फील वेरी ब्लेस्ड यार दैट आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ इट.
When you were preparing for this movie, Mirzapur the movie, आपको दोबारा देखनी पड़ी थी वो दोनों फर्स्ट सीजन्स?
नहीं, दोनों तो नहीं देखे, फर्स्ट के कुछ सीन्स देखे मैंने.
Okay, to get back to that character. Okay. You have to reply these as Munna Bhaiya.
As Munna Bhaiya?
Yeah.
अरे यार.
If I were an ice cream flavor, I would be
dark chocolate.
Okay. If I were a Bollywood film, I would be
Bollywood film.
Yeah.
I would be Mirzapur the film, which is going to release next year. Yeah.
If I were a song, it would be. You have a hint?
Wow. A song.
Yeah.
Munna would be a song. जीता था जिसके लिए something. नहीं, not that. I don't know यार. वो एक बहुत पुराना गाना है. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया.
If I were a city, I would be.
Oh, lovely. Actually, देखा जाए तो आंसर बड़ा सीधा स्ट्रेट है.
Yeah,
He's from Mirzapur.
yeah.
Yeah, Mirzapur. Yeah.
If ever a festival, I would be
Diwali.
okay, celebratory. If I were a dialogue, I would be
Dialogue.
yeah.
हम अमर हैं.
Okay.
Dash नहीं है.
Okay. If I had a superpower,
Superpower.
yeah,
As Munna, then a superpower to get his father's love.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
He always seek that validation
Yes.
from other people. If I were an emoji, I would be
I would be that purple thing, no? The with the horns. Yeah, devil horns.
okay. If I were a director, I would be
Director.
yeah. Let's say if he were a director. कोई ऐसा डायरेक्टर जिनकी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी बहुत मैच करती है मुन्ना भैया से.
मुन्ना से आई डोंट नो यार. ऐसा कौन डायरेक्टर है? आई होप मुझे ना ही पता चले ऐसा कोई डायरेक्टर. Yeah, I don't want to work with such. संजय लीला भंसाली. Yeah.
Is it like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
वो कट्टा रखते हैं अपने पास.
We never know that.
I'm kidding guys. ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
If I were a memory in someone's heart, the last question.
A feeling.
What kind of feeling?
A sad feeling.
Okay.
A teardrop.
Okay. Now I have some questions.
अभी तक क्या थे? अभी सब
नहीं, ये
questions
थोड़े अलग तरह के थे. If I were थे,
हाँ.
now these are different rapid fire
Okay.
questions.
हाँ.
Okay. If you were to be lifetime friends with one of your co-actors,
Many are. Can't pick one. I
okay, you
think
can take 2-3 names.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं. नहीं, जिनके रह जाएंगे तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
Sure.
हाँ.
If Munna Bhaiya had to shoot a Julmi Savariya, what would it look like?
He would shoot the Julmi Savariya.
Oh, is it? But he himself is the Julmi Savariya. No?
No, but if he's Munna, then how would he be a Julmi Savariya?
But he has to shoot as Munna Bhaiya. He is the Julmi Savariya. What would it look like then?
Look like maybe instead of dandiya, he's got a katta in his hand. Or
Okay.
डांस तो करना ही है यार.
Mm-hmm.
हाँ.
Sure. One word you learned from Julmi Savariya set.
जोई जोई.
What is that?
तने जोई जोई आंख है मचलती.
What is Joy Joy?
क्या है वो? क्या है? देख देख के ना या.
Garba night या मिर्जापुर night fight scene? What would you choose?
गरबा नाइट.
Okay.
गरबा नाइट्स आने वाले हैं ना अभी. I know.
Song shoot करना या web series shoot करना? What is easier?
Oh, what is easier?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, come to think of it, both are very tough. Song maybe? Yeah, series shoot करने में बहुत मेहनत जाती है. Yeah, song.
Okay. Audience applause या audience dancing on the songs? What makes you feel like कि हाँ hit हो गया है? मतलब बहुत सारे reels बन गए जुल्मी सावरिया पे. That would matter to you more?
Yeah.
या people appreciating that song in a way like
नहीं,
their
reels.
comment-
Right now, reels.
Okay.
Yeah, even if they don't appreciate, just make the reels, guys.
Yeah, it will like automatically go viral in the
Yeah.
comment. Yeah. That was it. That was it for this.
Thank you.
Thank you.